Hello kids, welcome in these videos. Today we can learn 10 words and 3 simple sentences about our country. Okay, let's start. Okay, first word, what. What means what? Bengali means ki. What means ki or ki. Okay, the next word, name. Name means naam. Name means naam. Okay, next, our. You have to say our means amadir. Okay, number 4, country means desh. Country means desh. Okay, country, you have to say country means desh. Number 5, capital means rajdhani. Capital means rajdhani. Okay, capital rajdhani. Okay, next, city means shahor. Shahor. Okay, next, your means tomar. Okay, mother tongue means matribhasha. Okay, mother tongue, matribhasha. Is means high. Okay, next, amar means amar. Okay, means amar. Okay, you have to practice these words more and more. Okay, now we learn simple sentence about our country. Okay, someone asks you, what is the name of your country? Okay, you have to say, the name of our country is Bangladesh. Okay, what is the name of your country? The name of our country is Bangladesh. Okay, then what is the capital city? Or what is the name of your capital city? You have to say, my capital city is Dhaka. Okay, my capital city is Dhaka. Okay, the next sentence, what is the name of your mother tongue? You have to say, my mother tongue is Bangla. What is the name of your mother tongue? My mother tongue name is Bangla. Okay, I revised, you listen carefully. Okay, what is the name of your country? The name of our country is Bangladesh. What is the name of your country? The name of our country is Bangladesh. Next question, what is the name of your capital city? The name of our capital city is Dhaka. What is the name of your capital city? The name of our capital city is Dhaka. What is the name of your mother tongue? And my mother tongue is Bangla. Okay, let's practice.